Welcome to Sir Boat's Yacht. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the Sea-Doo Spark Scooty, a personal watercraft designed for fun, agility, and affordability. This jet ski is perfect for both beginners and experienced riders who want an exciting ride without breaking the bank. The Sea-Doo Spark Scooty features a lightweight and compact design made from polytech material, making it durable and easy to maneuver. It is available in multiple vibrant colors, ensuring a stylish look on the water. The Spark comes in two versions, the 2-up model for 2 riders and the 3-up model, which includes an extended seat for 3 passengers. Under the hood, the Sea-Doo Spark Scooty offers 2 powerful engine options. The Rotax 900 Ace engine with 60 horsepower provides a smooth and fuel-efficient ride, while the Rotax 900 Ho Ace engine with 90 horsepower delivers higher speeds and thrilling acceleration. The 90 HP version can reach speeds of up to 50 miles per hour, making it a great choice for adrenaline seekers. The Intelligent Brake and Reverse System, known as IBR, is available in select models, allowing for improved control and easier docking. The closed-loop cooling system helps protect the engine from debris and saltwater, reducing maintenance needs. Sea-Doo Spark Scooty is designed for convenience, featuring an ergonomic handlebar, an intuitive digital display with speed and fuel indicators, and a tow hook for wakeboarding or tubing. The optional LINQ accessory system allows riders to attach coolers, extra fuel tanks, and more, enhancing the overall experience. For those who love music on the go, an optional waterproof Bluetooth audio system is available. Fuel efficiency is one of the standout features of the Sea-Doo Spark Scooty. The 60 HP model consumes just 1.94 gallons per hour, making it one of the most fuel-efficient PWCs available. With a fuel capacity of 7.9 gallons, riders can enjoy long trips without frequent refueling. In terms of pricing, the Sea-Doo Spark Scooty is one of the most affordable personal watercrafts on the market. The base model starts at around $5,999, while fully equipped versions with IBR and sound systems can cost up to $8,999. This makes it a great value compared to competitors like the Yamaha X and Kawasaki STX 160. Here are some pros and cons of the Sea-Doo Spark Scooty. The advantages include its lightweight and easy handling, affordability, excellent fuel efficiency, and fun performance. However, some downsides include limited storage space, the lack of an IBR system in the base model, and a smaller size that may not perform well in rough waters. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, fun, and agile jet ski, the Sea-Doo Spark Scooty is a fantastic choice. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider, this PWC offers great value and performance. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews on Sir Boat's Yacht. Thanks for watching, and see you on the water.